If you manage a Facebook page, knowing how to check community violations is really important because it helps you understand whether your page has any restrictions, warnings, or policy issues that could affect your reach or performance. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to check community violations on your Facebook page so you can stay on top of account health and take action early if something needs attention. If this tutorial helps, please take a second to like the video and subscribe for more easy social media guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook and go to the page you want to review. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple pages or have access to several business accounts. Once you're on the correct page, look for the section called Account Status. This is the area where Facebook shows important information about your page's standing, including any potential violations or restrictions. When you open Account Status, you'll be able to see if Facebook has flagged anything related to your page. If there is a violation listed, click on it to get more details. This is where you can see what the issue is, why it may have been flagged, and what action Facebook recommends. Sometimes the violation may be related to content, page behavior, or policy compliance, so it's important to read the details carefully instead of ignoring the alert. After you review the violation information, take note of whether the issue is something that needs immediate action or just something to monitor. In some cases, Facebook may allow you to appeal, remove content, or make changes to avoid future problems. In other cases, the issue may just be informational, but you should still keep an eye on it. It's also a good habit to monitor this section regularly. Community violations and account status changes can happen over time, especially if your page posts often or has multiple admins. Checking this area consistently helps you catch problems early before they turn into larger restrictions that could impact your page visibility or functionality. If you don't see any violations right away, that's a good sign, but it doesn't mean you should stop checking. Facebook can update account status information at any time, so revisiting it from time to time is the safest approach. If you manage a brand, business, or creator page, this should definitely be part of your routine page maintenance. So to quickly recap, go to your Facebook page, select Account Status, click on any violation for the full details, and monitor it regularly for updates. That's the easiest way to check community violations on a Facebook page and stay informed about your page's health. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple Facebook tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.